Welcome members to the LEA Governors meeting. Moving on to the agenda item 1, are there any declarations of interest, please? I can't see any. Councillor Evans?
Just the standard, Mark, if you don't mind, that many of the applicants are known to me, but I think, to be honest, that'll be the case with many of us around the table today.
Thank you, Councillor Evans. Moving on to agenda item 2, which is to elect a chairperson for the LEA Governors Committee for 2025-26 municipal year. Are there any nominations, please?
I move Councillor Rhys-Lewis to the chair.
And I'd like to second, please.
Thank you, members. Over to you, Councillor Lewis.
Diolch, Mark, and thank you, members, putting your faith in me again for the forthcoming year. We'll move on swiftly with the agenda, and that is to elect a vice chairperson. Could I have nominations, please? Any nominations? I'll nominate Councillor Stacey. I'll move Councillor Stacey. Could I have a seconder?
I'd like to second that, please. Thank you.
Great. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Councillor Stacey.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks.
Okay, we'll move on then to address the minutes of the previous meeting. I think I was away for that meeting, so I'm looking for a mover and a seconder for those who were present.
I move it, Chair.
Happy to second.
Excellent, diolch. Thank you both. Moving on to item 5, and that is to consider the undermentioned resolution that the press and public be excluded from the meeting under section 100A brackets 4 of the Local Government Act 1972 for the next item of business on the grounds that it involves likely disclosure of exempt information as defined in paragraph 12, schedule 12 brackets A of the Act.
I'll move that, Chair.